Good afternoon, everybody. With this episode of Tips with Skips, we're going to discuss a checklist to go through before you take the summer road trip you have planned. Um, First thing to check, we'll go with tires, tire pressures. Make sure you have proper life in the tires. You don't want to take a road trip with bald tires. It's not fun. Secondly, you also want to make sure you have your spare tire and that your spare tire is inflated because sometimes they're in the vehicle. They don't have the proper air pressure in them. So it's a very big important thing to check because if you do need it, you want to make sure it has the proper air in there. Next thing, make sure all your fluids are topped off. Your oil change is done with the proper amount of oil in there. You top off your washer fluids and everything, and along with the wash fluids, check your wiper blades because you don't want to get caught in a rainstorm along the way with wiper blades that don't work very well. All right, so lastly, just want to make sure you're all fueled up, ready to go. And if there's anything you come across along the way and you need our help, you can reach us at skipsgaragerepair.com or feel free to call us at 603 382 1010. Hope you enjoy your summer road trip.